Family court reform is time wasting. The rise of the family court is the extinction of natural rights through the substitution of government grants of privilege. Forced subscription to acceptance of the system of government family courts means your access to your children is now a privilege, not a right. Strangers who serve the family courts, the judges, lawyers, and mental health supplicants have confiscated any thoughts or ideas of freedom for you to make decisions regarding your own family. In fact, using the power to punish, intimidate, threaten, and bully, they claim total dominion over you, your children, and your family. Your access to your own children is now a privilege in the hands of a lunatic crowd of progressive thinking, utopian Marxist ideologues, reshaping the family with slogans such as, "It takes a village to raise a child." Over the last 70 years, these mischievous and demonic ideologues, the family court, lawyers, mental health, and judges, have successfully re engineered the family so that for the first time in human history, parents have agreed to delegate away the care of their children and elders to institutions, child daycare, and long term care. Add to this mischief their success in substituting your gender comfort for gender identity, your moral conscience for celebrating sexual perversity, and acceptance of the destruction of the extended family. And many of you are excited by the roving bands of national globetrotters proclaiming the virtues of installing state to state just one more new law to reform the family courts. Think about that for a moment. If your access to your children has been converted to a privilege, then reforming family courts with more legislation is simply another way to endorse the state's power to ensure the loss of your natural rights to care and protection of your children. Virtually nothing changes, except that these state legislatures over family courts have one more law that validates their claim that your rights are subject to their discretion. Is that what you want? How about abolishing the state's involvement in the private affairs of the relationship decisions, marriage, and your family? How about taking back the power of your natural rights? Let's abolish the family courts and replace them with nothing. Throughout all of human history, going back millions of years, the extended family was the glue that ensured the survival and success of the human species. And there were no family courts. If you're still trapped in this ideological quagmire and would like intelligence, common sense, and meaningful science-driven solutions to rescuing your children and restoring your family, why don't you talk with us? Go to hopeindarkness.me to schedule a meeting.